Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And this video hadn't been out very long on this, and somebody's already asked, would you have to use this, if you want them to all be like three different colors, would you have to change the colors on every one of them? And the answer is no. We're just going to move that up out of the way twice, nudge. I'm going to delete this one. And then I'm going to put that thing right back where it was. And now you can do anything you want to with it. We could take the Smart Fill tool and make that one yellow. We could make it blue on the outside, and we could make it, let's just make it red on the inside. I would go ahead and group those together, Control G, but then just double click on it and put your rotation to the center, and then open up the Windows Dockers Transformer Transformation, and we're going to rotate it 20 degrees for 17. The reason it's 17 is because there's already one copy. Whenever Corel says copy, it means it's going to make another one, so we need 18. We're just going to apply. And in that quickly, you've changed them all to colors. And at this point, you could still make the outline, thicker if you wanted to. Let's just kind of zoom in here, and well, let's just make the outline thicker on like 3 of them. And then just go to down to your pen tool and pick a wider line. And then it would look like that if you did it all the way around. And also you could do that prior to rotation also, but you could do it as a whole. You can hit F12 in your keyboard and get your pen tool. It's grayed out because you've got several outlines, but we're going to make them all that 1/2 inch thick. It makes the item look totally different to have a black outline. And you don't have to use black outline. You could have a different color outline. Let's just F12, open up the pen tool. Let's make it that 1 inch, but then let's make it that light blue. Totally changes the look of your item. And it makes it look pretty cool. I hope it answered his question, and thank you for watching.